Welcome. Today, we're diving into a handy feature on Instagram that allows you to unsend messages from your chats on PC. This is particularly useful if you've sent something by mistake or simply want to remove a message. Let's get started with the steps you need to follow. First, open Instagram on your preferred web browser. You can do this by navigating to instagram.com and logging into your account. Once you're in, you'll see your feed. Next, look for the messages icon located in the left menu. It typically looks like an envelope or a paper airplane. Click on this icon to access your direct messages. After that, open the chat where you want to unsend a message. Scroll through your conversations and select the one containing the message you wish to remove. Now, it's time to find the specific message. Once you've located it, hover your mouse over the message. You should see a small menu icon with 3 dots appear next to it. Click on these 3 dots to reveal more options. Finally, click on Unsend from the drop-down menu. A confirmation prompt may appear, asking if you're sure you want to unsend this message. Confirm your choice, and just like that, the message will be removed from both your chat and the recipient's view. Remember, unsending a message deletes it permanently, so make sure you really want to remove it before confirming. This feature is great for maintaining control over your conversations and ensuring that only the messages you want to keep are visible. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to unsend a message from Instagram on PC with these simple steps. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with friends who might also benefit from this feature. Happy messaging!